Hi everybody, welcome to Tam Predicts. I'm just adjusting the volume. This is a different kind of a reading. A lot of viewers or a lot of people that keep reaching out to me wanted a video which said what are the blockages or what are the blockages in their life, why things are not happening easily, and why is they're taking so much time to do things, and they're trying so hard but things are not getting done. Nothing is going right in their life, probably the financial situation. So I just wanted to know what are the blockages, and so I can channel those messages and give them to you. So this is a general reading, guys. Remember, these blockages might be affecting you, or this is the way you've been thinking. A lot of times when we think negatively, I always say it impacts us, and like I always say, whatever you send out to the universe, you receive it back in the same way. So if you send positive thoughts to the universe, and you will receive positive thoughts. But all the time, if you're surrounded with negative thoughts, negative people, negative feelings, keep questioning, don't believe in yourself, then the universe is not going to help you. So guys, general reading, I always say that these are guidances. I can put you on the right path with my channel messages, guys, and using tarot as a tool. But in the end, please do whatever is the best for you in the given situation, and you know your situation the best, because this is a general reading and a lot of people will be listening to me. So see which message fits well into your life, and what you need to do about it. So let's see what are the blockages and what's not happening, and why is it not happening in your life, and is it about the way you're feeling, or is there anything, any number, any alphabet probably is there in your life, or if you do that particular thing on a particular date and it's not suiting you, I'm going to tell you that I'm going to give you another date which is suitable for you, whatever channel messages that I get, and I'm going to pick up some alphabets, or if I can help you with a color. So let's see what are the blockages in your life, or why it's not happening, or why things are not really moving fast for you. I'm going to start with Archangel Gabriel cards, and let me see what messages Archangel Gabriel wants me to give to you guys. I get recognition. That's a blockage. Desiring too much too soon is what I get. Sometimes we just do a little bit and we're like, my God, why didn't I get 40 likes? Why is not my Instagram handle working, or any social media handle working? Why I just uploaded a video? How come there are so less likes? I have such less followers. You want recognition too soon, guys, and sometimes that blocks us. So thinking about how many are going to follow you, you're not putting hard work in the what you're putting on the videos, or whatever you're writing, whatever you're uploading has to be of quality, is what I get, guys. So if you're a social media manager, or if you have an Instagram handle, or if you have a YouTube channel, or any other social media handle, is it Twitter, you instantly want recognition, guys. It's not going to happen. Give it time, okay? So probably recognition will come, but also put in hard work. So this is not instant coffee, or recognition doesn't work that way. Put in your hard work. God will listen to you, and if you're putting a lot of hard work in what you're doing, have patience also, and recognition will come to you, guys. So if your first measurement is instantly about recognition, don't worry about recognition right now. Start building things up, and that's how you are going to get recognition. So I think the first thing that is blocking your way is suddenly that recognition is coming into your mind, that why am I not getting any recognition. Let me see what are the other messages. Recognition will come, guys. Just have patience. That's all. What else is blocking you? Yes, your prosperity is blocked, guys. Use more of green color, whatever you do. Write with a green pen. If you're starting something out and you want money, I always say green is a good color for wealth. Write with a green color. You're blocking your own prosperity. Thinking about money making all the time. It's not about how much you make. Suddenly we'll have that feeling that I want to be rich, and we feel nice if we do even a little. So recognition and for the prosperity, guys, just wait. Things will come to you, and just don't block your prosperity. Just thinking about it. I want to be is fine. When you do affirmations, that you say I want to be rich, I want wealth, but you're doing nothing about it. If you're going to do nothing about it, you're going to sit on a chair and just keep dreaming. That also doesn't work. Affirmations only work when you take action. Probably you're not taking action is another message that I'm getting. Yes, you're dreaming about riches, and we always say do affirmations on how much money you want. So say I am rich, I am happy, I am this. Do it in the present. And if you just keep dreaming, I want so many dollars, I want so many pounds, or I want so many rupees, it's not going to happen, because all you're doing is just thinking about it, and doing, and not putting your plans into action. So that's blocking your way. It's going to block your prosperity. The card wanted to jump out and I can't pick it up right now. It's fallen the other side, but I just saw what was written. It said let go. I've just put it there. It says let go. That's what I say when I'm doing manifestations, guys. Set your affirmations, set your manifestation, or set your intention and leave it on the universe to make it happen, and you to make it happen, guys. Once you've done something, don't say, oh, let me check, oh, let me check how many followers. Like I'm saying, oh, I just put this, let me see how much money it's going to make. Oh, let me see this. So you've got to let go of that impatience and just receive the blessing. Sometimes we are so blocked in our thinking that we start thinking negative even before we started the business or the startup of any idea, that, oh, I've started this business, I don't think I'm going to be successful, I don't think I can do it, oh, others are successful, they might be doing something else, I don't believe I can make so many millions, or I can't make so many hundreds of dollars. So guys, let go of the negative feelings that you carry all the time within you. Express yourself, guys. You're not been expressing. That is what one of the blockages in your life, success or anything in a relationship, guys. You need to speak, because this is blockages not just about money, it is blockages about everything in a relationship. If it's not going well and you're not being able to heal your relationship recently, it is all about because you've just been thinking this, that I cannot express, I cannot talk, if I say something the person is going to feel bad, if I express or if I tell them clearly what I want, they might just feel bad and say, oh no, I wasn't seeing it this way. Or they might just break off and just go away. Guys, it will trouble you more. It will trouble you more. I'm telling you, you need to express, and that is blocking your way. Not talking is not a good thing. It has to be a two-way communication. So need to reach out to the person, please. These are the blockages always that will happen in a relationship, that the other person is always thinking that why shouldn't the other person come and talk to me, or why shouldn't the other person say sorry or forgive me or say thank you. Guys, it's a two-way traffic, always remember that. Let's see what are the other negative things that are happening in your life, or what are the blockages, or any other ways that you can remove those blockages. Deep emotional healing. See, it's come reversed, so it is a negative card. So this is your there's another blockage in your life right now. Whoever's listening to this, it matters in your life. You are not feeling all your emotions. If you are breaking up, if you've broken up, if your business is going bad, if your job is not going well, you're not feeling the feelings. Okay, it is like you buried them somewhere so deep within, you don't even know you have those feelings. Sometimes we don't yeah, confront our own feelings. We just bury them deep inside, and that hurts our heart. That will in turn not make us feel healthy or well. So guys, feel all your emotions, get in touch with your emotions. This is your reality. If you're hurting, it is your reality. If you're happy, show it to people, express it. If you're happy with another person, if you're really in love with someone, express it. Unless you express it, it will not happen, guys. And it says deep emotional healing, and I'm going to read out the card for you because every word is important. It says your heart is ready to heal from past experiences, and you're willing to devote time and energy towards therapeutic care. So guys, you have to heal yourself, okay? Remember that. And it says that you healing from past experiences. So this is a relationship thing. Feel all your emotions, feel why you were hurt. Don't say, oh, I don't feel, don't turn yourself cold and say, I am fine, I'm fine, nothing hurt me, I'm okay, I'm back, I'm back to fall in love, back and ready to meet new people, I'm ready to fall in love. No, feel your emotions, identify them, and address each emotion, and when you totally heal, then move on, is what I want to say. I hope after listening to this reading of mine, or this video, or to the channel messages, you guys are going to get in touch with your emotions, and that's very important. And also understand what is blocking, things in your life. If you send out good intentions, and there's a lot of strength in your intentions, and there's a lot of belief in your intentions, guys, everything is going to be fine. There is no worry then. I didn't want to take that card. I just wanted to shuffle. Didn't feel like that card didn't belong here. Progress, not perfection. This is reversed, guys. Again, it is reversed. Which means that all you do is you're believing in perfection. That I have to be perfect in every way. I don't believe in progress. Every little step that you take towards your goal, whether it's financial, whether it's love, or towards family, or anything in your life, every little step is also perfection, guys. It's progress also. So in the end, it's not about, I have to reach from one place to the other and I have to make this jump and it has to be perfect. You will learn from imperfections also. You will also gather life lessons while you on that road. You will also, whenever you're completing a milestone, whatever your goal is, you're learning something in that life. So remember about that, it's progress and it's not about perfection. So you have to understand that you will have to, some things will go wrong. I think a lot of you are believing that, I started it perfectly. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and I have to do every little milestone I have to reach perfectly. I cannot make a mistake. How can I make a mistake? No, you're going to learn from those mistakes. Even if it's a relationship, you will learn from those mistakes. Life's lessons. So remember that it's not important about perfection, how perfect you are. It is also about how much progress you're making, which is also very important. So don't let that, thought of I have to do it perfectly sit in your head, guys. That's blocking you, and that's blocking you from doing good things in life, or the finer things, or to enjoy in life. Don't have to be perfect every time. It's not good to be perfect sometimes, I think, because perfectionism can also turn into an obsession, guys, and obsessions are not good. Yes, perfection is good, but yeah, you can only be perfect once you have made mistakes and you can learn from it. So it's better to make mistakes and learn from it. Nobody's going to do the perfect thing the first time. A lot of times we do not do the right thing the first times. We always learn from our mistakes and the things that we've done wrongly. Yeah, don't keep making the same mistake twice is another channel message that I get. I understand we all make mistakes and we learn from there. But if you repeat the same mistake again and again, you're not learning. You're getting into that loop again and again. Let's see what are the other messages. What else is blocking your way? Spiritual path. Learn to be on the spiritual path. Have time to meditate. So I'm going to take a message that you guys are not meditating at all. You've just been working, and even if you're meditating, half of your mind is back, back at what is happening, in the kitchen, what is happening at work, what are the kids doing, what is my husband doing, what is my boyfriend doing, he hasn't called, she hasn't called, oh, that's a WhatsApp notification. How will you meditate, guys? If you don't meditate, you're not going to get your negativity out. And mind is the most difficult thing to control. If you can quiet the mind, there is nothing better than that. It's a lot of times, it's a very simple example. When we are on a holiday and we're like, I just want to get away from all this. I want to pack my bags. I'm sick of working and I want to I want to go to the beach. I want to walk in the forest. You're on the beach. Imagine you're alone, you're in the forest. What is your mind thinking that time? What has happened to that project? Oh, what if I miss that call? Somebody might be trying to connect to me. Isn't that is my family okay, or are my friends okay? What am I doing here? I should be back at work. So how will you think positive thoughts? Your mind is somewhere else anyway. So when you're meditating, put your mind there. Surround yourself with nothing, just positive feelings. Just quiet your mind. Take out everything else in your mind. And it is the most difficult thing to do. Even if you start with a minute, it is awesome. Just think about nothing else. Just block everything out from your mind. Meditate, be in touch with God, the divine power, or whichever higher power that you believe in the most. Just connect with power, just connect with nature, or just try to connect with yourself sometimes. That's the most important thing. Sometimes we need to disconnect, guys. As an empath, I need to disconnect a lot of times, guys. So you need to disconnect and you need to connect with yourself. Control issues. A lot of people having control issues, trying to control too much about your life. Everything is destined, guys. I believe in destiny a lot. I'm just going to give you an example. I believe in the flow of water. They say water finds its own way. It knows where it has to flow. And if there's an incline or whatever, or there is a decline, or whatever, it's inverted, any place, it will find its own flow, guys. If you try to disrupt its flow, things are not going to flow well. How If you try, water or our life is supposed to meant to flow in a way. Why do we say, and when we're trying too hard, when things are not coming to us easy, remember, it is not meant to fit in your life. Especially a person, a job, a business, anything else. You say, I'm trying too hard, but the person is not coming into my life. I'm trying too hard, but I'm not getting that job. Remember, it is not meant for you. That's why we're not getting it. Sometimes, even when we try too hard, or we make way for that thing, you are disrupting the flow of water and trying to make it flow somewhere else, which was not meant to flow there. And it is like your life was not supposed to flow in that way, and when you disrupt it and make it flow differently, it will come back in a way. It will take longer. So if a person wasn't meant to be in your life and you want to be with that person, it will actually you will not be able to be with the person you were supposed to be with, you were destined to be with. So you already got one stoppage in your life, you already got one blockage in your life. Guys, when things are not happening easily, don't control it. Let it go. That's why they say let it go. Let it flow. Always let it flow, guys, and you will, things that were meant to come in your life will come into your life. Things are not supposed to be in your life will not come into your life. Even you can do whatever you want. You can move mountain. Why do you say I moved a mountain for you, but he didn't come back or she didn't come back, or I moved a mountain, or I fought like crazy to get that job, but it didn't come to me. It was not meant to be yours. This doesn't mean that don't go for it. You will understand the instinct. Listen to your gut feeling. Guys, I always say, listen to your gut feeling. You will know instantly that is not meant for you. Yes, do your hard work. It doesn't mean that you give up and say, oh, that is not meant to be in my life. You will somewhere understand that you are disrupting the routine, the ebb and flow of your life. Just remember that. Not well. You guys are not well. Especially head. Thinking too much, overthinking, that's what blocking you. Before you started your journey, you already thought in your head that you failed, and how will you start it, and why will you start it, and why will you start it? It's getting longer, the path is getting longer, I'm getting this problem. No, guys. Think positive, and positive things will happen to you. The other thing is, let things flow easily and think positive. That yes, this will happen. I can make it happen, guys. I can make it happen is more important, and I'm making it happen, guys. So always go with the flow, put your hard work, and if it's not happening, then it's not meant to happen. Always remember that. Let me see any other messages that I can give you for blockages in your life. I'm going to use the energy deck also. Let me see. Life lessons. This is also come reversed, guys. These are cards that half of them are upright and half of them are reversed, guys. All the cards that I'm getting are actually reversed, which shows these are actually the blockages in your life. You're not taking on life lessons. You're not getting taught by life. All you're doing is you're experiencing the lesson, and you're not learning anything from it, and you're letting it go. Yeah, this happened to me. Then again you repeat it, then again you do the same thing. So you have to take the life lesson. You have to understand how can you adapt or change yourself, because life is trying to teach you something. So don't block that lesson. And we are always richer by experience, and some are wiser. Why do we say that you are wiser than how old you are, than your age? Is always because of experiences, what the person has experienced. So you wise beyond your years, or you don't, you're wiser than probably a 5-year old is probably wiser, because 10-year old is wiser than us, because he's seen so much or she's seen so much in life, and that's taught the person a lot of lessons. So guys, learn from your lessons. You are not learning from your lessons, you're just experiencing them and letting them go and saying, oh god, this keeps happening to me. That's what we always say. No, I don't know why bad luck keeps happening to me, bad things keep happening to me. Why am I always like this? Everybody is happy. I'm sad. You're blocking your own way. Happiness, guys. Happiness is in your hands, so don't block it. Let me see what are the energy messages, energy oracle. I hope these are helpful and you will use them to make your life better, guys. Always worrying about deceit. It is good to not be vulnerable, but it's also not good to think that somebody is deceiving you. If you start with the feeling that this guy is going to cheat me, this girl is going to cheat, or the person you're doing business with, or any job, the boss is going to cheat me, the co-workers are not right, they're stabbing me, it will happen, guys. Whatever you think, it happens. It comes back from the universe. Have happy thoughts. Don't be vulnerable. That's a very different thing. Don't be vulnerable. Don't say, okay, I am very good, I trust everybody. Don't do that. But also don't start anything, any relationship, any job, any business, any startup, any relationship with the family, with the friends, with the thought that it's not going to work out, that the person is going to actually take away something from you, or is going to cheat you, or is going to steal some idea, steal something. Don't start with the negative, guys. It's not right. Maybe that's what you've been doing, or that's a lot of you, or one of you who just did this. Let me see what are the messages. I'm going to get 3 more messages. That's what I get. 3 more messages. All tied up. tied up by your own thoughts. This is the card I got, guys. You're all tied up by the card, by the thoughts that you have. These are the ropes of your thoughts, even and negative feelings and negative thoughts. Even before you start your journey, you feel I am all tied up. My hands are tied. I can't do anything in this situation. We give up also. Even before we start up, we give up. So this is one of you, many of you, two of you. You've been doing this and feeling all tied up. You're chaining yourself. You're binding yourself, with negative energy. So naturally, that you're going to feel bound, and I can feel bound right now when I'm talking, and I'm an empath, and I pick energies, and I with this card I'm feeling I'm tied up. I can't do anything, and it's not you trying to break free. You're not trying hard to break free. You're just like, this situation is not right. I can't do anything much about this. You're doing that, guys. Don't do it. I know why I got an Aquarius sign. I especially got Aquarius. If you're an Aquarian, you are doing this, guys. I especially got that. I don't know, it's a channel message. So one of you could be an Aquarian and doing that to yourself, binding your own self, not trying too hard. Two more messages. Abundance is getting blocked, guys. You think I cannot be rich. It will not happen to me. When you start with it will not, I am sure it will not. If you start with I will, I am happy, I am worth this, I am rich, I have this much money, I am doing this, I am. If you believe in I am, it will happen. Always remember that. Yes. So this is blocking your way. Your own thinking is blocking your way. That I cannot make it happen. Just whatever intentions you set to the universe, whatever intentions you want to send to the universe, always remember they should be positive, guys. Even when we surround ourselves with too much negativity or negative people and we keep thinking negative, you are setting that out to the universe, and that's what the universe listening to and sending you back. It's like a boomerang, I always say. Two more messages. Broken heart, I told you. Some of you are dealing with a broken heart, and that's a negative thing. You haven't learned from the past experiences, or you carrying the burden of the past experiences to the next relationship. Your next relationship will not be good if you keep comparing, or if you keep saying my last relationship was like this, I didn't have a good time, my last relationship did this, he cheated, she cheated, she made me feel like this. It will not happen, guys. Forget the past, move on. If you don't forget the past, you're going to carry it in the future, you're going to carry it in the present. You're making your past your present, guys. Don't do that, especially if it's a relationship problem. One more message. I want to give one more message. So actually the negative blockages are coming, so that's what probably I wanted to Sunday channel this video, and I have not done a video like this before, so I wanted to know the blockages. And I was speaking to somebody, and the person said, this is blocking me, and I want to understand. A lot of people are saying, why is everything not working? Nothing is working out for me. So that was anyway a negative talk or negative sentence to say. You're blocking your own money. Again, reversed. You want to make money, but something about you is, your thoughts are blocking your own money. I get a 7 number especially. I want to do one more message. I feel like giving you one more message. That's what I get. I have to give you one more message, and I think it's a very important message. Maybe it's a summer. Leaving. Always leaving, always thinking of leaving. Leaving it in between, leaving the person, leaving. All you can say is, I'm leaving. Not trying too hard. That's blocking you, guys. Also, I get the message that you have to go into a journey into yourself. You have to find the real you. Otherwise, you'll keep on leaving. You'll never get in touch with yourself. How do you feel, or what you really feel deep inside? Okay, the thoughts that are on the head are very, very superficial right now. You have to get in touch with yourself. Otherwise, every time you will want to leave from a situation that this is not happening. I cannot fulfill this. This is not me. This is not happening with me. I'm not worth it. I'm not worth anybody's time, and you're not going to value yourself. I really feel with this card, that's a message, go into a journey into yourself, and that's very important, guys. So these are the these are the blockages that are happening in your life. Try to address them. It could be one blockage, two blockage, whatever the way you're feeling. Once you address them, you're going to feel happy. You're going to get good things in from the universe, and when you're going to send out good positive thoughts. You're going to receive good positive thoughts always. Remember that. Okay, universe has your back, and it is listening. Only say the right things is what I say. Use the right words and use positive words, guys. Thank you so much. Do subscribe to my channel, watch the other videos, and do like my video, and do write in the comment section what were the blockages you were facing. or anything that you could learn or take away from this video. And you can also give me suggestions, what other things or what other predictions you would like me to make, and I'll do that. So thank you guys for spending your precious time with me, and this is Tam Predicts signing off, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Bye. Bye.